In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a blurry logo on your WordPress website. We all know how important it is for your website to look professional, and having a clear, crisp logo is a crucial part of that. If your logo appears blurry, it can be frustrating, but don't worry, fixing it is easier than you might think. First, make sure you're using a high-resolution logo. The key here is to start with a quality image. If the original version of your logo is low resolution, even the best tricks won't make it look sharper. So check with your graphic designer or the original source of your logo for a high quality version, typically in a file format like a PNG or a high resolution JPEG. Once you have that, you're on the right track. Next, it's essential to ensure your logo's dimensions are suitable for your site's header. A logo that's too small or has an incorrect aspect ratio can appear stretched or blurry. Measure the space where your logo appears, usually the header, and confirm that the dimensions of your logo match or exceed this size. Remember, it's better to scale down a large image than to stretch a small one. Now let's dive into WordPress. Head over to your dashboard, go to Settings, and select Media. Here you'll find where WordPress handles image settings. It's crucial to understand that WordPress has default image sizes for thumbnails, medium, and large images, which might affect your display. Ensure that these sizes aren't set too small for your header needs. Continuing on, a handy trick is to upload your logo at double the intended display size. For instance, if your header displays your logo at 150 by 150 pixels, upload a 300 by 300 pixel version. This might sound counterintuitive, but it ensures a higher quality display, especially on high resolution screens like Retina displays. Once you've uploaded your logo at double size, WordPress will automatically serve a higher resolution version of your logo. This approach uses adaptive image technology that delivers sharp images without increasing load times, the best of both worlds. Following these steps should noticeably enhance the clarity of your logo on your WordPress site. And remember, fixing a blurry logo isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a professional impression on your visitors. A clear logo signifies attention to detail and care for your brand's representation online. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your WordPress site. See you in the next video.